What's the meaning of Bigfoot? Bigfoot. Bigfoot.
Bigfoot. Bigfoot. Bigfoot is a legendary creature said to inhabit forests, mainly in the Pacific Northwest region of North America. It is also known as Sasquatch and is described as a large, ape-like humanoid with shaggy fur and a distinct odor. The existence of Bigfoot has been a subject of debate and controversy among researchers, scientists, and enthusiasts for decades. While many sightings have been reported over the years, no conclusive evidence has been found to prove its existence. Despite this, Bigfoot remains an iconic figure in popular culture and has inspired numerous books, films, and television shows.